space time and ready for door closure. Exit rows have been braced.
Thank you. Okay guys, I've been to this area before in Ermita. Just wanted to point out, also it's very close to Malate, so some parts might be Malate. I'm mostly going to refer to it as Ermita. I know that's where the hotel is. I also know it's very close to Malate. So in this video or future videos about this place, maybe you'll correct me and say, no, Bellagio Squares is in Malate. I don't know. I know the hotel's in Ermita, I know Dusk Till Dawn is in Ermita, and I know Malate's close by. That's all I know. Can I film that?
Yeah.
I really like these shawarmas, that's why I stay close. They're really good. What's your name?
Christian.
How are you?
I'm good.
Here's what you see outside the hotel room. Hey, see the ocean? Alright, so I guess someone cut the internet. That's why it's not working. In the lobby they said it should be working in a few hours, but yeah, you can see why maybe. It's raining. Bloody Bay Streets, that's where I stayed last time. Army, Navy, gonna eat here. There's the ocean over there. Hello!
Hello!
What's your name?
My name is Marie for my AK name. So welcome for our, just subscribe and have a nice tonight.
Okay, thank you.
What? Hi, Sir
We know
Jason.
you. What's your name?
Hi, Sir Jason. I'm Jocelyn.
How are you?
I'm good.
So this place is very crowded today. I came to have lunch at Pepper Lunch and there was a line and there wasn't anywhere to sit, so I had to come up here to Popeyes. A lot more crowded than it was last time. I don't know if you can see that. There's a fire going on over there. I was wondering why I heard emergency vehicles for like 30 minutes and it didn't shut off. It's because they just stopped right there. It can't be that bad. Everything's made of concrete, right? Huh. It looks like it's right on the other side of the Sheraton there. Fun stuff. How are you?
Fine.
How are you? What's your name?
Sarah.
Anything you want to say? What's your name?
Elise.
How are you?
I'm good.
Hello. Thank you. It's pretty rain. I think I can see it from here. Decade? Yeah, can I come in? What's your name?
Mona.
How are you?
Good.
Cool. Right. 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 Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Cool. What's your name?
My name is Ren and
Nice to meet you. Anything you want to say to the world?
Nice to meet you.
Okay, that's fine. Shit, it's raining and I was gonna get something to eat. Fun stuff. Yeah, I didn't really want to cross that lake to get something to eat. Down there a couple blocks is like the U.S. Embassy, if you're curious about that. Here's this ocean again. Last time I was here, no one was on the beach, and I didn't know how to get there. It looks like there's people there now. If you're wondering why I don't take tours, because Manila's very crowded and there's a lot of traffic, and I'm working on my other channel here and trying to get some actors for that channel, but so far it hasn't worked out well. We'll see what happens by the time I leave. But I do take tours to touristy places and other places, but not really Manila usually. There's dusk till dawn during the day. What's your name?
BJ,
How are you?
fine.
Cool. Anything you want to say, you can say in Tagalog.
Ano daw? Tagalog daw. Ah, Tagalog. Okay. Anong tanong? Ako? Ha, pati pilido? Ha? Pati pilido? Ah, BJ Di Guzman.
Thank you. Hello, what's your name?
Carding.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah. Your video, yeah.
Thanks. There's the shawarma place. Right over there's LA Cafe. And that blue building, it's in front of that. That's Dusk Till Dawn. And that hotel right there is Sunny Bay Suites. And opposite direction is Robinson's Mall and all those other places. And there's a bar down there that I'm gonna try tonight. So this is perfect time to film. It's not quite dark yet, so you can still see everything through the camera. It's that time of day where through the camera it's brighter than reality. But then as soon as it gets dark, then the camera is much darker than reality. Yeah, so I'm sick. I got 2 more days in Manila. I got a cold. But I got most of the recording done that I wanted to get. Okay, bye to this. There's something going on there. Today's a holiday here. Oh no. Okay, so in Manila, a lot of people begging for money. I don't ever give money to kids, especially at 1 or 2 a.m. when they should be sleeping or when they should be in school. Now, at summertime, so I don't know if they're in school or not here, but in general, I don't give money to kids. I did give money to some people, but, you know, I paid them to allow me to film it. Most of them appreciated that.
To his channel, Highway Hating.
Okay, you might have seen an older video, a relatively recent video, where I explained all these new places I want to go. So you might be wondering why I went back to Ermita, Manila, and it's because of my other channel. There's more than one reason. It's because of my other channel. I picked Philippines because there's a lot of people speak English. I needed some actors to be in my horror stuff. I didn't quite get everything I wanted to get, but I got some stuff. And that was the main reason. So I went back to Manila. I thought it was easier to get people in Manila, big city, and in the Philippines because there's a lot of English going on. So that's why I went back to Manila again. Another reason is I like that mall. I like that mall because there's a lot of food there. I like the shawarma place. I like the bar, Dusk Till Dawn. And the last reason is Alvin, who started watching my channel. He seems to really like Ermita. He's probably going to be upset that I wasn't able to say a Sunny Bay Suites, but he still likes that area. So those are the main reasons I went back to Ermita, even though I should really be checking out new stuff. Hopefully the rest of this trip will be checking out new stuff.